Hello, my YouTube friends. Oldladyscratcher here, coming to you with a $30 session. I got one $5 jumbo and one $10 jumbo, and I got one Sizzling 7's and one $5 and one $10 Scorching 7's. Jumbo cash, the $5, it's on number 19, and the $10 jumbo cash on 49, supposed to be the black box special. We'll see. And I got on the Sizzling 7, the $5 one, ticket 58, and on the $10 Scorching 7s, I got ticket number 4. I want to thank you all for watching my videos. Much appreciated. And let's see how we do. Let's see where I left my scratcher. Right here. Odds on the $5 jumbo is 1 in 3.97. And we have to match numbers to the winning numbers, or find a 5x for 5 times the price. On the bonus, we have to find a star for 10, 20, or 50. Or on the jumbo win, we have to look for the money back for an instant handle. So let's see what we're looking for. 14, 23, 40, 48, and 39. We got a 33, a 9, a 10. Come on, 5x. 24 for one off. 32 backwards of the 23. At ducky, number 2. No singles. 43, we're looking for 40 or 48. 37. 30. 34. A 20. 29, we're looking for that 39. 42. 36. And 17, we're looking for a 14. 31. 47. Double duck is 22 for one off. A 6, no singles. And hockey sticks 11. So nothing there. Can we find a star? For 10, we have a vault. About for 20, we have a wishbone. For 50, we have a horseshoe. Can we find that money bag? Now we have the safe. So, $5 jumbo, no good. Where was it at? On the $10 jumbo, the odds are 1 in 3.89. Let's see what the last number, black box, hopefully it's special. We're looking for the 10x or matching numbers, stars for 20, 30, 50, or 100, and money back on the jumbo win. We're looking at 14 again, the 14 on the same spot as the $5 one. 37, 24, double sixes, 1 6, and a 40. So we don't have no 50s. And 55, what do you know? 17, no, we're looking for that 14. 59, no 50s. Single ducky 2, no, we're looking for that 6. 68, not there. 43, now we only got the 40. 15 for one off. 35, we got 37. 39 and 16. Double deck is 22. We got the 24. 12 is not there. 3, half of 6. No 50s. 63 is not there. 25 for one off. No 4. No 70s. No 19. We're looking for that 14. 21, not there. Double 3s. We're looking for 37. 30, not there. 64, no can do. 45, we got the 40. 46, it's not there. Come on. Not bust here. No 48. No single man 1. No 50. No 8. And no 52. Can we get a star? That's the only thing to save us. A horseshoe for 20, for 30, a chest for 50, a bell, handle, a wallet, money bag, a bar. So black box, not so special. Let's see on the Sizzling 7s. The odds are 1 in 3.97. We're looking for matching numbers here. A 7 for 5 times. Or a money bag for instant 50. And on the heat bonus, we have to look for the matching over here. 90 for 10, 100 for 20, 150 for 30, 200 for 50, 350 for 75, or the 500 for 100. And let's see what we're looking for. A 34, a 32, 28, 38, and 42. So we got no singles, no teens, no 50s, no 60s. Can we get a match and not bust? No 50s. 46 is not there. 35 for one off. 41 for one off. No teens on the 10. No 45. No singles. No singles. No 23, that's backwards, or 32. No 25, we're looking for 28. 29 is one off. 43 for one off. 15, no teens. No 9. No 20. 31 for one off. Dirty 30, not there. No single man. And no 40. Can we get the high heat bonus? No, we got a 70. Ticket number 4 on the Scorching 7. Odds are 1 in 3.85. Let's symbol hunt. See, we gotta match numbers or find a 5 or a 10x or at least 3 7s for 30, 4 for 40, 5 for 50, 6 for 100, and 7 for 500. Let's see what we're looking for. 51, a 9, 3, 56, 55, and 15. So we don't have no 20s, no 30s, no 40s, no 60s, no 70s, no 80s, and no 90s. No 80s, no 90s, no 20s, no 30s, no 90s, no 20s. So we got singles, 15, and the rest are 50s. No 80s, no 42, no 12, no 30s, a 6, no, we need a verse 3 and a 9. We found 1 7. Can we get 3 7s? At least 2 7s. 16 for one off, no 80s. 2 for one off. 4 for one off the other way, no 90s. 54 for one off. 14 for one off. Can we get something? No 60s. 52 for one off. 51 for one off the other way, and the last one, it's in the 40s. So we busted out. I think my luck might be running out. $30 spin and 0 back. Well, such is luck. It's the lottery. Sometimes it happens. Thank you all for watching my videos. I appreciate it. And if you like, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Enjoy reading all your comments. Makes me very happy. Brightens my day. If you're new, be my friend and subscribe. And hit the bell for notifications to see when I post videos. And leave me a comment. And there is a lot of love from this old lady to you all. And I will see you on the next scratch.